Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're comparing stock dividends to crypto dividends, and we're gonna see which is better. Okay, so I've done a little bit of research. I'm not that big into stock dividends, but you can pull up some of these. It looks like the highest is around probably like 10%, the lowest very small, like 1% or less. But I would say on average, maybe like 3%, but we'll just go with 5% for a safe estimate. And that is annually. So let's say you invest $100. At the end of the year, you're gonna have $105. Now, let's go to crypto. And there's a lot of ways to do this in crypto. Here's just one way that I'm doing it. And we're gonna do the math on this. It's gonna be a lot more complex than the stock math. So this is Banker. And I have Banker frozen in the Banker TRX depot. This is part of Bankroll Network, and this is basically just their house token. You can freeze your Banker. It's kind of just like holding stocks, and then you get dividends. So they also have all of these other dApps on their network, and a lot of them, whenever people play these dApps, whenever people interact with these smart contracts, TRX goes into the dividend pool, and then the dividend pool drips 4 times per day, every 6 hours, to people that have their Banker frozen. So then you get TRX dividends. So right now, I'm getting over 100 TRX per day with this amount of Banker. So we'll just figure 100 TRX. And we're gonna go ahead and do this calculation. So the next thing we need to know is how much does Banker cost? So you can go to an exchange, a TRX exchange, swap your TRX for Banker, and this is how much it costs right here. About 6.5. So if we said 7, you would be able to buy the amount that I have for sure. So we'll just do 7. So let's open up a calculator. 8389 times 7 equals 58,000 TRX. And I'm getting about 100 TRX per day based on this investment. So we'll just say 58,700. So 100 divided by 58,700 equals 0.0017. So I'm earning 0.17% daily on this investment. So we can do 0.0017 times 365 equals 62% a year. So if I invested $100 into this, I would have $162 at the end of the year. And that's not even based on compounding. So I could take these dividends, withdraw them, go to the exchange and buy more Banker every day, and then freeze the new ones, and then I would have more. So that gives you a rough idea. You get 5% in stocks, 62% in crypto, and this is just one contract. There's tons of other ones that are solid as well. I'm in Daily Plus credits. Like, I'm also doing really well in credits. And this is just one dApp network. There's a handful of solid dApp networks. Solid divs over here on my credits as well. And these are just pegged 1-to-1 with TRX. So about the same thing. I'm probably getting 0.1% daily in credits. And TRX currently worth this much, about a penny. So this is also assuming that the stock price stays the same. And crypto stays the same, because we can't really factor that in because I don't know what will happen with the markets. So let's just say I have 65,000 of these things. So I have about $750 invested in each of those contracts. But there you have it, 5% stocks, over 60% on crypto. Something to think about, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I will try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Definitely check out the other ones on the channel that I've done. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the